What's going on, guys? Doing a little bit of a recap, kind of recapping some of the trades I did live this morning on the channel on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure you tune in to that 9 a.m. It's fun. We do stuff. We talk about stocks, hot stocks. But let's recap what went down this morning. So checking out THC, I actually got a couple trades on this right after I stopped live streaming. I needed just to get back green on the day. I needed to calm my nerves and get back green on the day. You can see THC got there to the 740 area, found resistance there. I was looking to short there at 1740. I was like, eh. You can see overall on the 5-minute chart, this thing has been going higher and higher all day, but kind of found some resistance there at the 1740 area and ended up going short there. Didn't go short until this drop, actually, through this EMA there. I was basically watching the EMA there, watching that key area. It ended up breaking through, went short, got a couple of shares short on these filled, and then ended up covering there at the 1704 area, had a little bit of a bounce, and then shorted one more time, kind of overtraded this one, shorted there, ended up shorting there at 1695, covering there at 1691, just a small size, got a little bit more there, and then had one more, ended up going short there at 1703, and then covering there at 1693. So that worked out pretty good for me, and ended up going back green on the day. Talking about some of the other trades I made today, FRAN. You can see this one, it's a real painful one. I don't even want to talk about it, but ended up kind of chasing this one. I really screwed myself. I don't know what I was thinking, but you can see FRAN kind of just overall got me. It got me good and ended up chasing this one. There was a short sale restriction. I couldn't get filled and ended up getting filled there at 675 and covering there at $7 for like for almost a $400 loss. So really bad. I thought I might average down. I might, we got some resistance there at the 695 area. So I was like, okay, I'm pretty good. I was actually in the green for a moment, and then it squeezed back higher and got some more resistance there and came back down to the 670 area. So I would have been good. I should have gave it a little bit more time, but it's hard. You're getting squeezed on this. Ended up losing, ended up chasing it, ended up just kind of forcing that trade. It's one of the things I keep telling myself. I got to stop doing that. I got to stop forcing these trades. And the big winner of the day, really, this is the crazy one. I guess it's JMEI. We were talking about this all morning long. You can see I overtraded the crap out of this, but you can see we talked about it all morning long in the live feed, talked about how this was going to be a beautiful short at some point. And you can see a lot of people actually made money on the long side here from that 370 up there to 420. It found double top there at the 420 area and ended up going short there at 395 for the break of $4, pulled down here to 383, ended up covering there for a quick 12 cents. Did some more shorts here, got a little bit of a squeeze, ended up shorting it again here, got some more profit there. But overall on the day, I really overtraded this like crazy. And you can see from here, I ended up shorting here at 381. It pulled back all the way down here to 315. Really should have just held on to this one. Kind of got greedy there. It came down here, bounced off the 373 a couple times. Had the support there at the 370 area. Didn't think it was going to break, but it ended up breaking, pulling back all the way down here to 315. So beautiful move there on JMEI. I saw a lot of people talking about how they made a lot of money on this one this morning on JMEI in the chat, in the live feed. Pretty awesome to see that. We were all talking about it. We were all looking at it. Everybody was trading it, and it's worked out great. It's got a short sale restriction on it right now, so it's not that hot. Another stock that I traded this morning was, what else did I trade? VIPS, traded it here. Got in short at 947. It pulled back down here to that 941 area. So it got like a 6-cent drop there. Ended up going all the way down here to 930. Made like 60 bucks on this. Could have made a lot more. But you can see overall on the day, VIPS dropping down there from the 995 area all the way down here to 930. And still going lower down there to 925 now. So really some big movers today. Some great opportunities. I think that's pretty much everything. Getting in here on VEIR. Looking for a big move here. Look up to 1140 now. See if I can't take profit there at 1130. Looking for this move higher here. See if I can't get filled here. Come on now. Jump up. Need the bid to jump up here. More volume to fill. 1119 on the bid. There it is. Looking for this move higher here. 1125 now on the bid. 1125 again. Taking profit there at 1121. So VER moving higher here. I ended up selling here at the 1121. It moved all the way up there to 1150. Had some decent buyers there for a little bit at the 1140s. You can see it on the time and sales there. 1140 getting printed. Should have gave a little more time. I was kind of hesitant. Now it's going higher. Painful one. So I had 1,000 shares there at 1111. Took profit at 1121. I was playing it safe. Just wanted to lock in that profit. Not bad though. Still moving up there to 1150. Huge move there. Could have been up. Yeah, I don't even want to think about it. But overall on the day, put me back. But that's gonna put me back in the green on the day. You know, that's gonna put me back green on the day. So you can see my P&L here. FRAN, the big blow up of the day, just kind of really kooking it there, really messing up. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought FRAN was just gonna crash because it's been crashing for the last couple weeks. And that's what happens when you get emotional about a trade. And I did it. I got emotional. So you can see I lost $391, made a couple of dollars there on a JMEI long. Ended up making $294 short there and making another $323 THC short, $100 there on VERI, and then VIP at $60. So VERI was alerted in the chat room here. You can see got alerted there to buy the break of $11 there. Nice move up there at 1150, working out perfectly. Some of the members all locking in that profit at 1150 area. So beautiful trade there on VEIR. So on that note, I'm done for the day. Back in the green. I'm happy with it. I'm not going to try to get back in I'm not going to try to overtrade and force trades today and try to get some big profits. It is what it is. I'm happy to be back in the green after that. I'm happy to be back in the green after that big blow up on FRAN. So on that note, make sure you guys tune in tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification tab so you know when I'm going live at 9 a.m. I'll talk to you guys later.